across the street and look at it. Totally sorry we didn't vlog this, you guys. This was a lot of work to set up today. This is from across the street view. It's after 10 o'clock now, so everything's turned down a little bit. I'll probably turn off some of the little thingies making noises. But it was a good night. We had over 300 people visit the house. That's pretty cool. Awesome. We have way too much candy extra though. We ran out last year. Crazy. This is my DJ booth area. I really didn't DJ that much. I did for about like 15 minutes. I was just too tired today. After setting this all up, it took all day. It's just been a long season. It's bittersweet that it's over, but now it's time to rest and get ready for next year's. Have this cool little camo netting set up behind me with the uplights. Some up fog right there, geyser fog. Another fog machine, monitor speaker. And there's bugs all over the facade. Oof. There's my drink I left over here. Glad Mary suggested we replace the fog adapter. It is kind of a pain though because of condensation, but I poked a little bit of holes on the lowest end so it could drain the condensation. It works, it looks like so far. The whole night's been me tinkering. I swear I spent like 2 hours adjusting stuff. Certain things weren't working. My DJ software wasn't working that well, so yeah. There's a big pumpkin over there. Look at that gobo. It's that big pumpkin. Here's a little behind the scenes. This is like the little craft service. We had pizza. It's probably hard to see. I'll have the lights on later. Has some candy right. Ooh, here's I'm gonna get some candy right now. Camera equipment would store and charge. There's the projector that does the visuals. I never did get a chance to do makeup, but this is our little green room area. This is the control. The geysers are controlled by the computer. The sound, the main music is played right here also. There's a mixer, lighting control unit, which is triggered by the audio from here. Amplifiers, all the speakers are passive. There's a little barrier where I can't go across or I'll block the view. Pretty cool though.
A few moments later.
Alright. It is almost 12:30. I got Spook Show 17 on. New favorite show. Everything is staged back up here to be thrown in the garage for now, and then I'll put it away tomorrow. What a long day it's been. I'm eating candy. So, yeah, we have my DJ booth, speakers. We still have to put all this stuff in the garage. The visuals are still playing though. Fire's going. It feels good.
I know, I'm getting them that warmth again.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool neighborhood. We're not super loud right now. We don't have music playing or anything, so the lights are still on. One fog machine's on over there, though. That one's cool. His head's like on fire. It's hilarious. There's Elvira. There's Sam. We changed his head around 9 o'clock. Okay, so amazingly enough, the geysers, I never had to fill them up. I filled them up once, and they lasted all night. They have like a crazy 1 minute almost reheat time for some weird reason. And then the big fog machines, those I think I filled up 4 times. The little one that powers the, whoa, there's a moth trying to bug me. The little one that does the Pumpkin King over there is a really small tank, so I fill that thing up multiple times. The fog bubbler, I only had to put haze in it once, but it did run out of bubbles, so I probably would have had to fill that up too. So I'd say 2 times to fill that up. And then, oh my gosh, the Cumulus. That thing, it's back here. It's hiding back here. That thing drank a lot of water, and it's like dry right now. And I'm like scared because I thought it's supposed to turn off when it's low on water. But it doesn't sound like it does. But I kept putting water into that thing, and I still have gallons left at least. Mary is going to go turn off all the battery-powered stuff. Usually I just leave the tiki torches burning. I gotta move the golf cart. Oh, that one? Yeah, that one's loud. I know that one down there is loud and annoying. I turned him off earlier. I was like, no, none of that. Oof.
Oh, you already turned off the
Yeah, I got it because it never shuts up. It never does. Yeah, the tiki torches will burn out. They're already getting there. You could tell they're not as bright. Beetlegeist. Here lives Beetlegeist. When did we get that bad boy? I think we got it in 2021. Actually, 2020. Believe it or not, we went crazy 2020 because we were just chilling. Yeah, this guy is so cool. It's the only problem with putting fog inside an animatronic like this is it's all nice and juicy and sticky from the juice. There's condensation from the fog juice because it is water-based, the fog juice. Let's see how many. Oh yeah, it's sticky stuff. There's still a lot of juice left in there. It usually lasts, I don't know, I want to say 30 minutes maybe before I have to refill it. There's a few things we forgot to turn on. This is where my DJ booth was. Tomorrow we have to put actually a lot of stuff away. And then slowly take the process of tearing everything down. And then in a few weeks we'll probably put up Christmas lights for them. Yeah, we had a little over 300 people show up, but not as many trick-or-treaters. Cool stuff. Visuals are still playing. Yeah, I still have a lot of stuff still running. But now we're going to probably tear everything down, and I'll check back in when we're done doing that. No time lapses this time. I don't have any camera set up. The fire's still kind of going. It feels good. Mary's turning everything off still. There's a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, we can turn that off when I move more stuff. On the what?
second tier.
More stuff? Yeah, there is so many battery powered things. It's not even. I wish there was less, and then we always forget to turn things on too. There was a few things that I forgot to turn on. Those pumpkins over there. Oh, that's so much work. It took us a while to set this all up. Yeah, that's fine. I said we can get that when we put all this stuff in. So yeah, we're gonna chillax by the fire a little bit again, and then we will put all this stuff away.
Eventually.
So here is the lights on now. In the control room, you could see all the gear. The green room, we never did anything over there. The projector for the visuals, now that screen's down, we took all that down. So the camera gear, crafty, had some Halloween donuts. Good stuff, good stuff.
The next day.
So you guys, we are at November 1st, the Day of the Dead. We are packing everything up. Well, not everything. There's still some decorations up. Some of them are getting put away. Putting a lot of the tech stuff away and cleaning out all the fog machines. And that bubble fogger. I swear, I always have issues with pumps. It's not sucking up the bubble juice, but I'll figure that out. It's cold right now. I might light another fire. Believe it or not, there was still hot embers in there. And the skull that was in there, it's over here, the skull. It's still warm. Hot skull, hot skull. Yeah, this is the next day. There's some fog machines. I already cleaned those ones. The next day. Oof. Enjoying more fire.
Yes.
Because it takes forever to clean stuff up. I think it's just because I'm insanely organized or OCD, I don't know.
Yeah.
But we're going to make s'mores in a minute. Yes. So, we are making s'mores. Got these cool little Hershey's s'more mellow holders. Light it up. So Mary's okay. We got this little thing. So let's see what it does. Mary's trying to attempt it right now.
My fingies. Fingies.
I just crusted some of. I got some charcoal on mine. Squished it. This is a s'mores buddy. Hershey's s'mores buddy.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a cool little Hershey's caddy that holds like mellows, candy, and graham crackers. Yeah. So let's see if this is.
I didn't even notice this was up.
It extends.
I didn't even realize.
Ooh.